Kate Retzel, the principal of LES here. We're welcoming you to the open house. You should have a chance to come in through this video and see your child's teacher, see their classroom, and meet any interventionists or specialists who might work with them. We thank you for your patience with this new style for this COVID year, and we hope you enjoy.
Hi, welcome to first grade.
I'm Miss Derone.
I'm Miss Curtin.
I'm Mrs. Weinstein.
And I'm Miss Spiz.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Weinstein. Welcome to my classroom. When the students walk in the morning, they follow the arrows and they come to their cubbies. They can look at our morning jobs to check out what they should be doing. They go to their cubby, they open their backpack, they take out their folder, and we have our purple folder bin that they put their folder in. And then they take their water bottle and this orange lanyard to their desk. After that, they go over to our sink and they wash their hands or sanitize their hands. And then when they go to their desk, they can eat their breakfast if they want breakfast in the morning, or they can use their toy box. This is their red toy box with all of their fun indoor toys. And then they could also get their book bin, and this is an example of a book bin here with all these books that are at their own reading level. All right, so over here we have our schedule that the students can take a look at and see what our schedule is for the day. We have our reading strategies that the students will learn this year in first grade. And we have some fun pumpkins over there that the students made this week. All right, I'm so proud of all of your students, and have a great night.
Welcome to Miss Curtin's first grade. Come on in. So when students come in the morning, they can go right to their cubbies. At their cubbies, you will see several things. There is a separate toy box for outdoor play items. There is a toy box for indoor items, some special crayons. Each first grader was fortunate to make a glitter jar with Mrs. Lucy for ideas and ways to calm our brain. Students also will find their own individual mats that they can use to relax, to read, to build with their Legos. And they all have their own laundry basket full of supplies that we will be using that they take right to their desk every morning. They have their own individual foundation boards, math boards, some math manipulatives in here, some dry erase markers, and we even have pool noodles to do our cardio drumming. You'll also find this is where the students do a lot of learning this year, from the computer to the projector, up to the screen. You can see their math books right up here. And over here, you will find their own individual book baskets. Every child will have their own basket with their name on it that they can choose for their own reading time.
Hi, first grade. As you come in, you're gonna say the password. Welcome to my room. We have cubbies over here. Friends always start by washing hands. They drop off their things. We have wonderful desks, and they are ready to work. You'll notice over here, we have an interactive writing board where we're doing lots of Tide writing.
Hi there, welcome to Miss Spiz's room. When the children come in, they need to do their password to get in. Then they come in, and our room is a little different. We have our own bathroom that the students can use when they come in. They first wash their hands. They go to their cubbies. There are 4 over here and there's 4 over there. They also, like the other rooms, have all kinds of baskets. These are their lookbooks with all kinds of books that they can be reading. They have a toy basket, which has indoor toys for indoor recess, plus outdoor recess toys too, that has chalk and jump ropes and things like that. Plus, we test their sight words. Every time your child gets good at sight words, we move them up another notch. Over this way, we have our calendar math area. We tell them about the calendar. We talk about adding sticks. Each day gets another number. Plus, we work with magnetic money. We talk about the weather as well. All kinds of fun things. Trick words for foundations. If you look over that way, we have more foundations. And we work on vocabulary this year. While the students are learning big words like serious and scold and all those things. Our schedule is here for the students to look at and see what's next. So, one more thing, the job chart. The students each have a job which rotates. Every week they get a different job. Messenger would go bring our folders to the office. Greeter greets everyone. And then our helpers for the calendar math. It's a lot of fun, and I think the kids are having a great time this year. Thanks a lot.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Vosberg. I'm a special education teacher here at Lee Elementary School, and I work with students in kindergarten, first grade, and second grade. Let me give you a tour of our classroom. Upon entering the classroom, each student gets a squirt of hand sanitizer. You may notice that our classroom has shields on the desks and on the tables. Due to needing to get closer to students at times during lessons, we keep these shields on at all times. During parts of my day, I'll reteach lessons here at the table when I'm one-on-one with a student. Sometimes during the day, I see multiple students at a time. They will be seated here at the desks while I teach from the whiteboard. Many of my students are most successful with visual models. If you take a look around our classroom, we have a disappearing red timer that helps students to know when their session is up. We have reminders of how to hold our pencils, whether we're left-handed or right-handed. And reading strategies placed around the room to help them decode their words.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Carlino.
And I'm Miss Warner. We're the PE teachers at Lee Elementary School.
Like most things in 2020, we're doing things differently this year in the gym. We have completely redesigned our curriculum since many of the fun games and activities that we have taught in the past use shared equipment or encourage students to invade each other's space.
We're still teaching all of our basic concepts and skills in kindergarten, first and second grade. We teach many fundamental gross and fine motor skills, in addition to laying a foundation of gameplay. In third grade is when we start to shift from teaching the skills to teaching games that use those skills. It's very similar to the shift from when we learn how to read to reading to learn.
Throughout our curriculum in all grades, we also teach a lot of health-based content. We learn about nutrition, the importance of exercise, how our body works, and so much more. We also have a huge emphasis on social emotional learning so students can understand their emotions, set goals, understand empathy, establish and maintain positive relationships, and make responsible decisions.
We're taking many precautions this year. We started the year outside where our amazing custodial staff painted circles for students to be able to move around in. Our state guidance allows students to participate in physical activity outside without a mask if they're 10 feet apart. So we created circles that are 12 feet in diameter and 12 feet apart.
On rainy days, and now that it's getting colder and snow is around the corner, we will be inside the gym. Here we have 6-foot squares that are 6 to 7 feet apart. Because we're inside, students must have a mask on at all times. The circles and the outside and the squares in here give students a defined space that they can move around in without getting close to their classmates.
We're very careful in our cleaning procedures. We have sanitizing spray that we use to mop the floors in between every single class. We only allow students to use personal equipment that's easy to clean, and we have sanitizing wipes and spray after every single class.
Finally, we do require students to wear sneakers on their PE days, so please make sure that your children are wearing them.
We love seeing your children again. Thank you so much for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions.
Hi, I'm Greg Houston, the librarian here at Lee Elementary School. I'd like to give you a brief introduction to the library and then talk a little bit about things we're doing for this school year. So down on this end of the library, we have the section dedicated to the younger grades, K through 2. And then on the shelves a little bit closer, you're seeing some series fiction, which both physically connects the younger grades end of the library to the older grades end of the library, as well as kind of bridging the reading levels between those two groups. So as we come around to the other end, you will see the end of the library that's for the older students, grades 3 through 6. And then finally coming around, as we wrap around, we come to our solution for this year, which is our book cart that has a variety of books that I bring to classes every day. And I have my laptop computer with a scanner attached so that I can check out books for the students. And then when the students are returning books, they are placing them in this cart, dropping them in the slot so that nobody else is touching them, and they go into one of these day of the week plastic bins where they stay for 1 week. Best library practice now is to stay for at least 3 days. I do it for 1 week just to make it easier on me. That allows them to be safely recirculated. So these books here are some of the books that have been circulating for the younger grades and for the older grades. In the classes in kindergarten, we have talked about doing taking care of books. The students have colored bookmarks so that they can mark a page without folding down the corner. In first grade, we talked about parts of a book. For second grade, we've just been doing some activities like word searches as I'm signing out books. In the older grades, we've been concentrating on learning how to sign into the library software so that students are able to select particular books, so they'll be able to put a hold on the book. So instead of just bringing a selection of books for them to choose from, I will be able to bring specific books that they've asked for. So that's our solution for this year. So welcome back.
Hi, this is Miss Pat coming to you from the music room at LES, and this year is looking a little bit different for all of us. And unfortunately this year we can't have music in the music room because it's not large enough to accommodate for the physical distancing that we need this year. So every day that it's nice, we're trying to go outside so that we get at least a little bit of a chance to sing, because currently the national guidance is that singing is only allowed outside and socially distanced with masks on. So as much as possible, we are going outside when it's not raining. When it is raining, or sadly snowing, which will soon be upon us, I've been pushing into the classrooms using my cart, where I have my computer and I have sound equipment so that we can listen to music and have music to move around with and dance with. And this is my music on the move cart, so I'm pushing into classrooms and we're doing the best we can. And I hope we have a great year. And I look forward to meeting all of you, hopefully in person, sooner than later. And know that I enjoy working with all of your students. Thank you.
Hello, families. My name is Mr. Boulay. I am the art teacher here at Lee Elementary School. Your student will see me like this, wearing a face protection and wheeling my art on a cart into their individual classrooms for art class. So this year definitely runs a bit different from prior years because of the whole COVID experience, but your student will still receive an excellent art education every time they see me in class. I bring all my supplies in the cart for them to use. Know that I will keep them safe. Any and all art supplies are returned to a used supply section for me to wipe down and spray and make sure that I keep all supplies clean and everyone's safe here at school. I look forward to future years once COVID goes away and we can have students back in the art room. But for now, Art on a Cart is working here at LES, and I'm excited to have a good, successful school year with your students. So thank you very much, and we'll see you around.
Hi, I'm Heather Lucy. I'm the School Adjustment Counselor at Lee Elementary School. I work with students in grades pre-K through 6. I help students, families, and teachers all work together to make plans for success for students. I help students with their social emotional development and well-being, conflict resolution, and brain-based strategies.
Hi, I'm Rachel Wildrick. I'm a school psychologist, and this is my office. I work here at Lee Elementary School and at the middle school and high school. I work with all students, all grades, just to help them when they're needing to know their strengths and weaknesses, both cognitively and academically.
Hi, my name's Heather Gray.
And I'm Brianna Solorio.
And we are the speech pathologists at Lee Elementary School. Some of the things that we do here are we work on articulations of sounds, social skills. We answer and practice answering different WH questions like who, what, where, why, and when. We work on vocabulary and grammar. We also work on different concepts and inferences and predictions.
These are all great skills to learn, navigate through the school day, and make friends.
And you see our plexiglass, we have these to be able to separate our kids, and especially when you're working on social skills and how you produce a sound, this mask is super helpful so kids can see my face.
Hi, I'm Tim Merton. I'm Dean of Students at Lee Elementary.
My name is Andy Clark. I'm the English as a Second Language teacher here at Lee Elementary School. Your children and I explore language through the reading of books, websites, articles. We also write together to show our ideas, and we connect our readings and our writings to real-life projects where we build things like the Eiffel Tower and the Trojan Horse. Thanks for visiting my classroom today.